Now let us calculate the height of the atmosphere up to which the blanket of the air is present by the knowledge of the pressure. We know that the pressure due to a fluid column is equal to rho g h. We know that the atmospheric pressure at the sea level is equal to 1.013 into 10 raised power 5 Pascal, and the gravitational acceleration is equal to 9.8 meters per second square, and the density of the air column is 1.3 kg per meter cube. As in this equation we have got one unknown, we can calculate that one unknown, that is the height of the atmosphere. So H is equal to P divided by rho into G, that is 1.013 into 10 raised power 5 pascals divided by 9.8 into 1.3. That gives us the value of 7951 meters, that can be roughly taken as 8 kilometers. So the blanket of air exists up to 8 kilometers as per the calculations. But in these calculations we take the density of the atmosphere as constant, which is not constant. So when we take the inconsistency of the density with height, the height of the atmosphere is seen up to 400 kilometers, but above 5 kilometers only 1% of the gases of the atmosphere are present. So this calculation is valid when only the density of the atmosphere was constant, which is not constant. So when we take the inconsistency of the density of the atmosphere into consideration, the height of the atmosphere is seen up to 400 kilometers, but above the 50 kilometers only 1% of the air is present. The units of pressure. The SI units of pressure are in the form of Newton per meter square or pascals. In CGS units, we take the units of pressure as dyne per centimeter square. Second one, pressure is measured in the height of the mercury column, that is 76 centimeters of Hg is equal to 1 atmosphere, or 760 millimeters of Hg is also equal to 1 atmosphere. So the atmospheric pressure is measured in SI units in Newton meter square or pascals, in CGS units as dyne per centimeter square. It is also measured in height of the mercury column, that is 1 atmosphere is equal to 76 centimeters of Hg or 760 millimeters of Hg. Third unit is torr. 1 torr is equal to 1 millimeter of Hg. So we can show that 1 atmosphere is equal to 76 millimeters of Hg, that is equal to 760 torr. So torr is another unit. Number 4, we have got another unit for meteorological purposes, that is 1 bar. 1 bar is equal to 10 raised power 5 pascals, or 1 millibar is equal to 10 raised power 3 pascals. So we have got 4 different types of units. One is SI unit, Newton per meter square or Pascal. Another is CGS unit, that is dyne per centimeter square. The atmospheric pressure is measured also in the height of the vertical column. 1 atmosphere is 76 centimeters of Hg or 760 millimeters of Hg. Another unit is torr. 1 torr is equal to 1 millimeter of Hg. So accordingly 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 torr or 760 millimeters of Hg. For the meteorological purposes we use the unit as bar. 1 bar is 10 raised power 5 pascals, or 1 millibar is 10 raised power 3 pascals. These are the different units in which atmospheric pressure is measured.